Hello chess friends. Like and subscribe to enjoy more games like this. Pawn to d4.
Knight to f6.
Knight to f3.
Pawn to d5 is best.
Pawn to c4 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to e6 is best.
Knight to c3 is the best move.
Bishop to e7 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Pawn to c5 is best. This offers a trade.
Bishop to f4.
Kingside castle is excellent. Pawn to a6 is best.
Pawn to e3 is best. This defends a bishop on f4.
Knight from file b to d7 is excellent. This develops a knight. Pawn to b6 is best.
Pawn to a3 is the best move.
Pawn to c5 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn captures on c5 is the best move.
Pawn to b6 is excellent. Pawn captures on d4 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on d5 is excellent. This is a trade. Pawn captures on c5 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on d5.
Pawn captures on c5 is the best move.
Pawn captures on d5 is the best move.
Pawn captures on c5.
Knight captures on c5 is the best move.
Bishop to e2.
Bishop to b7.
Kingside castle.
Rook to c8 is the best move.
Queen to b1.
Bishop to f6 is best.
Bishop to e5 is the best move.
Bishop captures on e5 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on e5.
Queen to f6 is best. This attacks the knight.
Knight to f3 is best.
Knight to e4 is excellent. Pawn to g6 is best.
Knight to d4 is excellent. This defends a bishop on e4. Bishop to d3 is best.
Rook to c5 is excellent. Pawn to g6 is best. The game is over. It ended in a draw.